Okay, Sounds of Decay 2 is the double EP from Ruin Dweller, Ancient Ruin, and Apocalyptic Ruin. Another day, another great band out of Madison, Wisconsin.
Shocking.
Yeah, this time it's Ruin Dweller, a four-piece collection of journeymen that all seem to be in a dozen or so other projects as well. They've released four EPs since forming back in 2017, and with back-to-back releases coming at the end of 2024, as well as the band's recent announcement that they've been added to the 2025 Milwaukee Metal Fest, it seems the buzz around them is building fast. Produced by veteran Wisconsin knob twiddler Dustin Boyle, these two EPs conjure a sound that's undeniably inspired by old school death metal, but rich in twin guitar interplay.
The drums of Nick Zum have a sort of earthy production style, clattery with aggressive cymbal splooshes, gunshot-like double bass segments, and just the right amount of tempo variation to set up their dramatic guitar expressions. Singer-guitarist Sam Shinners delivers a devilishly raspy, black metal adjacent vocal sound, and the dramatic solos he builds along with second guitarist David Utal-Veroff seems to be the key behind this band's highly original sound.
Fire Desert kicks off with a hard smashing, dirty thrash pace and proceeds to alternate between rocketing speed and muddy crawl over the space of 5 minutes, while Shinners and Utal Veroff trade off exotic fretboard gymnastics, culminating in an exceptionally hooky Weeping Willow guitar harmony. Death Will Become You is a veritable showcase of great riffs, further demonstrating how important the carefully crafted guitar segments are to the Ruin Dweller sound. Let's play a little bit of Fire Desert. Now, I particularly love the uber hairy riff and vocal style of Bestial Regression, like a thrash take on an incantation, with yet another pulse-quickening set of leads. The two songs that make up the Apocalyptic Ruin EP are actually re-recordings of the band's earliest release, and both of these EPs are packaged together. Make sure you check out the cool Apocalyptic Splatter vinyl version for sale on their Bandcamp page. Perhaps the best leads the band offers to date is in Dimensional Slaughter 2024 AD. The melody's so arresting, the flow of the solos and harmonies orchestrated masterfully, upping the intensity and hookiness of the song with Shinners and Utal Veroff's idiosyncrasies.
If twin guitar obsessed old school death metal that's not afraid to slow to an autopsy crawl sounds like an interesting cocktail, head over to their Bandcamp page and snag a copy of this exquisite double EP set. Fans of guitar heavy death metal like Sadistic Force and The Bleeding may have found a new place to dwell.
See what she did there? Okay, this is Dimensional Slaughter 2024 AD.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.